Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Rocket Pool for decentralized ETH staking step by step clearly. To activate Rocket Pool for decentralized ETH staking, first, ensure you have an Ethereum wallet set up. Download and install a compatible Ethereum wallet, such as MetaMask, if you haven't already. Create a new wallet or import an existing one using your seed phrase. Ensure you have some ETH in your wallet to use for staking and transaction fees. Visit the Rocket Pool official website to start the staking process. Connect your Ethereum wallet to the Rocket Pool platform. Select the option to stake ETH on the homepage. Review the minimum staking requirements and make sure you meet them. Choose the amount of ETH you wish to stake. Proceed to review the staking terms, including the rewards and fees associated with Rocket Pool. Once satisfied, confirm your staking request. Sign the transaction in your wallet to initiate the staking process. After confirming, wait for the transaction to be processed on the Ethereum blockchain. You will receive ETH tokens as proof of your stake. Monitor your staking rewards regularly through your Rocket Pool dashboard. If you want to, you can also unstake your ETH in the future by following the provided instructions on the platform. That concludes the process of activating Rocket Pool for decentralized ETH staking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.